They have also jog, yeah, people to jog here from Cebu going to Lapu-Lapu. Look at guys. Yan. Yan. Sis, we're almost there na guys. Look at guys. Sis, sinong nagsabing hindi namin mapuntahan doon? Hindi kami maka finish line. Ayan. Yan ang city of Cebu guys. So we're almost there guys. Look at. So nice, so nice. Early in the morning walking, jogging. Ayan, ay. We're almost there na guys. Look at. Yan. That's the city of Cebu. Guys, nandito na po kami sa malapit na kami sa Cebu City. Guys, look at guys. We're almost there na. Sus. Maabutan na namin yung pinakatok sa bridge. Ayan. Ayan guys. This is our city of Cebu in the Philippines. This is Philippines guys. We are here in the Philippines. Philippines, it's really nice to travel to tourist here because it's not very expensive. A lot of tourist spots. Pictures. Nandito na kami guys. Ayan, malapit na kami sa tuktok ng pinakataas sa bridge. Ayan. Ayan. Yan yung pinaka-city dito sa Cebu. So we're almost there na guys. So feel so hot na. Starting to hot here in the Philippines. Philippines. We are here in the Philippines. We live here. Ayan. Ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa Sisalex. And yung bikers. Good morning. Ayan. He says good morning. So, I reply to him, good morning. Yan. Malapit na kami makaano doon sa pinaka-tok-tok ng bridge here. We're almost there, guys. It's the city of Cebu.
Sige, tinagdagdwa ka cellphone yun.
So guys, we're almost there na. Yan.
Fighter. Arite? Ito po. Ito na skyline. Ano po na skyline? Asa skyline dahil ka ng building?
Ayan guys, we are here now at the top of the Sisalex. Oh my God. So, I reach na guys. See? So, nandito na po tayo sa sa pinakatuktok sa Sisalex. Sissilex Bridge here, Cebu City. Ayan guys, nandito na po tayo guys. Ayan. Nandito na po tayo sa pinakatuktok sa Sissilex guys. Ayan. Laban lang tayo guys. Ayan, kita na natin yung ano, yung barko. Ayan. We can see the ship. Yeah, that's the shipping lines, Trans-Asia shipping lines. So ayan guys. Umakyat na tayo guys. Ayan. Paakyat na tayo guys. Ayan. Laban lang tayo guys. Ayan. As I believe myself that I can reach the finish line there. Ayan. Ito na natin yung ship guys. Ayan. It's a low tide. You see guys, it's a low tide. It's not a high tide. Low tide for now, for this time. Yan yung mga kasama ko. Ayan, nandito na kami sa pinakatuktok sa Sissilex guys. Ayan. Ayan. This is a low tide for this time. Low tide. Ayan yung kasama ko guys. So look at guys. Ayan. Nandito na tayo sa taas guys. Ayan.
Patunoy.
Tingnan nyo guys. Ayan. Nandito na tayo sa taas. Ayan. Nandito na tayo sa taas guys. Guys, ang lakas ng hangin dito guys. Oh my God. So, nandito na po tayo sa pinakatuktok sa Sissilex. Ayan. Ang daming nag-jogging. Oh. Mga bata pa yan. Ayan. So guys, hindi tayo matatakot dyan kasi may nakaharang na railings. Ayan. Ayan yung dalawang kasama ko. Nandito na tayo sa pinakatuktok sa Sissilex guys. Sissilex is located in Cebu. This is the longest bridge in the Philippines. Ayan. Ayan guys. Ito na yung city of Cebu guys. Look at the buildings. A lot of buildings for now. But before, narara. Ayan. Itong Sissilex na to papunta tong papuntang SMC side. Ayan. Papuntang yung way na to papuntang seasides guys. Ayan, nandito na tayo sa pinaka-taas. Ayan, tingnan nyo guys. Ayan. Punta sa taas. Lakad lang. Enjoy lang natin guys. Yung i-feel lang natin yung natin, yung body. Napapagod kayo sa pag-running. If you feel so tired now to run, so you just walk. Enjoy lang, enjoy. Just to enjoy guys. We need to believe ourselves guys. The benefits for walking is the best exercise. And yeah, if you have problems of the heart, no need to jog, guys. Just only to walk. Because walking is the best exercise. Ayan. Dito na tayo sa ano. Ayan, show ko yung ano. Low tide kasi ngayon eh. Ayan. Ayan, tingnan nyo. May small boat there. Ayan, kasama ko yan. So, as what my friend said, that one, you know, have a hole. It's a pool, but for now, they didn't use it. It's a small island here in Cebu. Yeah, they have people also to live there. They live there also. Oh, really? Yeah. Have a small island here, and then have a fisherman, little boat. So see guys, how nice in Cebu. So this is City of Cebu, guys. Yan. Yan. Galing kami ng ano. Yeah. Kami ng ano, ng Lapu-Lapu. Tapos nag-run kami papuntang City of Cebu because we live here in Cebu City. Yan. Second bridge. Second bridge, guys. This one is the third bridge. So, nandito na tayo sa nasa taas na kami. Ayan. Galing pa kami doon. So clear. The water is so clear, guys. Look at this. Very clear. So clear. I like it. Yeah, I have a fisherman's there. So, ayan. Ang lakas kayo ng hangin dito, guys. Ang sarap. Wow! Maganda yung ano, may kasama ka dito. Yung family mo, yung friends mo, or your partner, if you have your partner. So nice to walk here. Asa man? Ulo, have a dogs there. So nagiday mga tao diha day no? Nagiday nagpuyo diha day no? So, malapit na tayo doon, guys. Yan. Doon po tayo sa ano. Yan. Nakatuktok. We are here now. The top of these islands, guys.